Oh, that's interesting. I think we have a solution for your problem. Let me just help you to select your perfume from Flipkart and let's see what will happen. Yeah. Which of them you would like to pick?
Okay, let's go with this one.
Yeah. Let's watch for a few minutes what happens. Yeah. I've just placed the order. If you can see.
Is it like
Give it a few minutes.
Yeah.
as long as nobody's throwing it at me, I'm fine with it.
So while we wait for the surprise to happen, Lakshmi, tell us what is your favorite scent that you like?
I'm a person who likes to experiment a lot with my scents and perfume, right? So I do experiment a lot. During summers, would love to have something which is fresh and fruity. And in winters, yes, we go with little more like stronger fragrances. So I'm not a person who gets too attached to a certain kind of a brand or a category of perfume. Pretty experimental. So the one that I chose here was the one that I would use during these kind of like summery days.
Nice. Oh, that's very interesting. Another question. What's the secret behind this curly hair? How do you stop?
My curly hair. Okay, again, this requires a lot of TLC, love and care. It's a lot of oiling, a lot of masking. God.
Oh, wow.
Okay. Okay.
अरे रुक
Now,
जा रे तो उनका चल रहा है
who's opening the door, by the way? Is someone opening the door?
Opening the door. Yeah. I'll just help.
Yeah, somebody go.
Yeah.
Back also.
Yeah.
I never leave any gift.
You guys?
Okay, from what I understood, you are going to make our Indian Janta more lazy. This is what it looks like. Means you touch it, you wish it here in a few minutes.
Exactly. You want to really ensure that your flexibility, convenience is at the
Yeah,
top.
convenience and flexibility and laziness is going to increase, guys. This is what we are doing. Flipkart has a plan.
Yeah, and whatever you want, everything you get in the day. That's what we are here for.
No getting up from the couch. Matlab now if I need to gift something to my friend on birthday, I don't even have to make an effort to go and shop. Matlab my friend will think is itna bhi nahi kiya isme mere liye. Now I'm just sitting and swiping and selecting.
That's
Maybe you can tell your friend that you put in the effort in situation 5.
Yeah, my finger is putting the effort.
yeah.
Or Flipkart is putting the effort in you.
Yeah.
We are here for your convenience and delight.
Alright, Flipkart. I'll tell you if the friendship survived this or no later.
So I think this is just want to tell you that we are coming out with an amazing offering. Just wait, tune to this, and you will see a lot of announcement happening in this space. Thank you.
Thank you, Lakshmi. Thank you so much. Pleasure. And I
Thank
hope you enjoy.
Thank you so much. I enjoyed and I'm amazed and I'm still like trying to understand you people are going to make our lives very easy and lazy very soon. But congratulations
Thank you.
for yet another feather in your cap and I'm sure it's going to get bigger and bigger from here.
Thank you. And thanks for all your wishes.
Thank you, yeah. Thank you so much guys. Thank you.
हाँ
Firstly, please give it up for Papsi.
हाँ इतना दिस
Hey, Mom! Thank you so much! Wow! What an incredible conversation we've had. And did you like the surprise? Did you like the surprise? Surprise with the surprise, first of all. Like, this is actually going to happen in life for real. very soon. That things, whatever you're going to order, which you have to really step out and select, are going to be there within a few minutes. I'm still trying to seek that in. Tapsi, I've got to tell you, Flipkart is your new genie. I think, yeah, that's what I'm going to call it now, the Flipkart genie. Absolutely. Thank you so much, guys. Please give it up for them one more time. Yes. Come on, make some noise. Make some noise. Thank you for joining us. Thank you so much. Thank you. All right, stay tuned. We have so much more coming up, and now you can catch Tapsi and she's going around, take her photographs, and we'll see you back here for more launches coming up.
Hello, ma'am. How are you? Congratulations to you. So happy for you.
Thank you so much.
After a picture. After a picture.
Ready.
Ladies and gentlemen, what a huge honor to have with us a supremely gorgeous, stunning and talented actress, Taapsee Pannu.
नहीं सुंदर बुलाते हो उनको
Sundar actress Taapsee Pannu. We do congratulate her, of course. And at the same time, she's won hearts all across the world with her inner beauty. And we are truly overwhelmed and elated. And on behalf of Flipkart Glamour 2K24, we welcome the naturally glamorous Taapsee Pannu.
Yay!
Thank you so much, love.
Oh, my pleasure.
It is absolutely a beautiful experience. सबसे पहले तो बताइए, how does it feel being a part of the Flipkart Glamour family now, knowing that you always been natural and you look glamorous?
Yeah, I think because glam ka matlab, it's not like you have to add on a lot of things. You just take care of yourself well enough to look glam. And I at least feel the way you carry yourself is also a big part of being glamorous, and hence I always thought I am, but if you say so, if you insist, I'll agree.
Yes, and we love you. Friends from the media, please,
Yes.
your questions.
यस
हाँ जी.
तो सुंदर जी सबसे पहले तो बताइए कि फ्लिपकार्ट ग्लैम अप फेस्ट के बारे में क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगी आप स्टेज पे देखा
मैंने ये रियलाइज किया है कि इन्होंने ना भारत की जनता को और लेजी बनाने का ठान लिया है कि अब तुम्हें कुछ नहीं करना है, अब तुम जाकर दुकान में शॉपिंग भी नहीं करोगे, तुम सिर्फ अपने ऐप पे क्लिक करोगे और वो कुछ ही मिनटों में तुम्हारे घर पहुंच जाएगी वो आइटम. तो अब मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा ये हमारा ईज ऑफ कंफर्ट है कि ये हमारे को और लेजी करने वाला है. तो ये तो बहुत बड़ा और एक्साइटिंग एडिशन है फ्लिपकार्ट ने जो किया है. अब देखने में मज़ा आएगा कि ये जनता कितना यूज़ करती है इसको.
बिल्कुल. सो क्या कुछ शॉपिंग करने में क्या कुछ बिलीव करती है ऑनलाइन एंड
शॉपिंग करने में बहुत बिलीव
हाल फिलहाल में जो आपने जो शॉपिंग किया है
बहुत हाल फिलहाल में मतलब फेवरेट सब कुछ, परफ्यूम से लेके हेयर केयर से लेके स्किन केयर से लेके, आई थिंक आप एक लड़की से पूछ रहे हो वो भी इस इंडस्ट्री में जो है, तो मतलब मैंने तो कोई कैटेगरी छोड़ी नहीं होगी शॉपिंग करने की. हाँ, वही एक वाइस है मेरा कि मैं बहुत शॉपिंग कर सकती हूँ. अपना मूड खराब हो तो भी अच्छा करने के लिए शॉपिंग कर सकती हूँ. ऐसा भी होता है मेरे साथ कभी कभी. पापा को मत बताना. सही ऑनेस्टली तो परफ्यूम और कुछ.
और जैसे तीन चीज आप शॉपिंग जब करने जाते सबसे पहले आपके माइंड में आता है?
ग्लैमर से रिलेटेड बोलूँ तो मुझे अलग अलग तरह के हेयर केयर प्रोडक्ट्स कलेक्ट करने में बहुत मज़ा आता है, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि कर्ली हेयर एक ऐसी कैटेगरी है जो आसानी से नहीं मिलते हैं प्रोडक्ट्स, और जो प्रोडक्ट्स मिलते भी हैं वो मुझे ट्राई करने में मतलब समझ में आएगा कि ये वर्क कर रहा है मेरे बाल पे कि नहीं कर रहा है. तो वो एक बहुत लिमिटेड रेंज होती है. तो मैं सबसे एक्साइटमेंट मेरी ये होती है देखने के लिए कर्ली हेयर रेंज में किसने क्या निकाला है. सो आई शॉप दैट अ लॉट सबसे पहले तो. रेनी सीजन में रिगार्डिंग फैशन जो भी मेकअप करोगे वो धुलने के चांसेस बहुत हैं. तो फिर एक काम करो, मतलब स्किन केयर पे ध्यान दो ज़्यादा मेकअप से रेनी सीजन के अंदर. मे बी नेक्स्ट सीजन में विंटर में उसके बाद मेकअप कर लेंगे. ठीक है. हाँ जी.
हम आपको किस अंदाज में देखने वाले हैं, सुंदर या क्या?
अब ये हसीन आ रही है, फिर आई हसीन दिलरुबा एंड खेल खेल में. ये इस साल ये दोनों पिक्चरें आएंगी. बहुत ही मतलब डिफरेंट दोनों चीज़ें, एक रोमांटिक थ्रिलर है, दूसरी आउट एंड आउट कॉमेडी है। खेल खेल में आउट एंड आउट कॉमेडी है। सो बहुत ही डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ फिल्म हैं दोनों, और वो बहुत मुझे लगता है कि पास पास रिलीज़ होने वाली हैं, जिस हिसाब से रिलीज डेट्स आ रही हैं। तो आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड के ऑडियंस दोनों को कैसा रिएक्शन देता है। एक तो नेटफ्लिक्स ओरिजिनल है, दूसरी थिएटर में आएगी।
इवन तब से आप 10 साल से ज्यादा इंडस्ट्री को दे चुके हैं।
हाँ, माय गॉड,
14 years
सडनली मुझे एंटीक फील हो रहा है। हाँ बोलो। 10 साल इंडस्ट्री को मैंने दे दिया। हाँ,
10
उसके बाद
साल से ज्यादा।
हाँ, ज़्यादा दे दिए। ओके फिर
तो इस चीज को आप किस प्रकार देखती हैं, मतलब जब आप स्टार्टिंग की थी और अब जहाँ पर आप
या जिसने ऐसा कोई बेंचमार्क बना के मैं आई नहीं थी, तो मेरे लिए सब कुछ बोनस है। मैंने नहीं सोचा था कि एक दिन ऐसा आएगा कि मैं ऐसे इतनी मतलब मीडिया से खड़े होकर मेरे को सुन रही होगी। वही बहुत बड़ा बोनस है मेरे लिए। अगर मैं सोचती हूँ कि 10 साल 11 साल पहले मैंने क्या सोच के इस इंडस्ट्री में कदम रखा था, ये सब कुछ बोनस है मेरे लिए।
even also everyone is waiting for your one look
ब्राइड लुक। चलो वेट करते थोड़ी देर और। मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं है कि मैं करूँगी ऐसा कुछ ब्राइड लुक का रिवील या ऐसा कुछ, मैंने कुछ सोचा नहीं है। बहुत ही सीक्रेट नहीं, प्राइवेट पर्सनल एक इवेंट था, तो मैंने ऐसा कोई उसका प्रेस रिलीज करने का अभी तक सोचा नहीं है। जब दिमाग में कोई आइडिया आएगा तो सबसे पहले आप लोगों को पता चलेगा।
Tapsi will request them for one-on-one look,
पहले फोटो
and then Flipkart family के साथ मांगे picture, please.
वन ऑन वन तो
तापसी है
Yeah.
Oh my God, multitasking.
ये किसके फोन से शूट कर रही
कुछ लोगों की कुछ लोग ये तो एल्बम बनाएगा।
एल्बम
You came in with a bang. I want to continue that energy, everybody. Let's give it up for her one more time. Yes? You look amazing. You look amazing. But everybody, can you do a dance with us right now? Yes? 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 You want to see it? Right? Jaya and Tushar. Do you also want to get in there? Come on, a little bit, a little bit. Come on, can we have the music again? Isn't she awesome? Yeah? You stayed away from it. So
You should be dancing with me.
अरे भाई
Thank you so much. That was amazing. Thank you so much. That is actually the track of my film that has just come up. So I'm glad that they played it. But yeah, it was fun. Thank you. Thank you so much.
And you were awesome. Look at your energy and vibe. Isn't she amazing, everybody? Yes?
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so I'm going to leave three of you. So we're going to have a very interesting conversation you don't want to miss. So give it up for them one more time, everybody.
Hi, Abdi.
Hi.
Absolute pleasure to have you here on the Flipkart Glam Up event. Someone glamorous like you endorsing the event really means a lot to us. Thank you for coming here.
That means a lot. Thank you.
So I've been following you for quite some time and seeing your journey and Cannes. It is amazing. Being the youngest Indian actress to go to Cannes and represent Indian community, I think it's amazing. How did it feel for you?
First of all, thank you so much for having me here, for inviting me here, and I'm so glad to be part of this forum. It was an amazing journey. It was an amazing experience. It was unreal, and I can just say that it was a dream come true moment for me. And I'm really happy to be here, to be talking with you guys, and yeah, that's it.
And I believe being the youngest Indian actress to be there must have been a lot of pressure. How do you go? How does it feel like? And everyone's looking at you. So how did you
go about so many different looks that you created? How did you go about it?
So it was like a collaborative effort of me and my stylist together. We wanted to create something different, something unique. I love experimenting with my looks and my style. I can't do the same thing again and again. Like, I love experimenting. So I think that was something that we wanted to do. But at the same time, I wanted to keep my personal touch to it as well. But I also feel comfortable in my clothes and I feel like myself. So yeah, and a lot of people were asking me questions after the can that where are these clothes from, what are the brand names, we want to know, we want to buy this jacket that you're wearing, and all of these questions were popping up. BB, right now also people are asking me that. So I'm glad that people loved it, I'm really happy about it.
Yeah, that's in fact a great segue to introduce the next feature I want to talk about, which is actually called the looks feature. So very often actually, I mean, we see our customers on our platform after any big event, maybe it's like a red carpet look from Cannes that they have seen and have been inspired by, and they're like, hey, I really want to recreate that on myself and see how I look, right? But many times they're not able to because they don't know exactly what was the brand, the product that was used, and even if the product is clear, they don't know the specific shade of, let's say, lip gloss or anything that has been used. In our search query logs, we see it a lot, right? After big events, we will see a lot of queries appearing in our search logs that are like, hey, Avneet's red dress from...
Where is it from?
Right, so we are all about creating delightful new experiences to answer the needs of the customers, and we took up the challenge on ourselves, and now we have launched this feature called Looks. So it's about a curated celebrity look where the exact set of products and brands you can reproduce on yourself with a single click. So you discover a product, for example, on a product page that is part of a curated look. You can not only just try on that particular product on yourself using the camera of the device, using virtual try-on features, but you can also try on an entire look, an ensemble of everything that was used to create that look. And we also allow people to customize on top of that. They can say, okay, this looks great, but maybe for my skin tone, I may want to change the shade a little bit. I want to try a slightly different product. So it's not exactly that look, but something else. So, and all of that stuff, right? I mean, beauty is a very inspiration-driven category, right? A lot of people actually get inspired by what others create, and they want to experiment, and they want to try something that is authentically their own self, but at the same time inspired by what they see elsewhere, and that's why we launched this feature called Looks. A lot of platforms have a feature where you can try on, for example, a particular product on yourself using the camera, using augmented reality feature. But this enables you to try on an entire ensemble and be able to mix and match and customize and all of that. And I should talk a little bit about how much effort goes into doing something like this, right? So, for example, creating the exact shade, for example, of lip gloss. I'm sure just in the color pink, there are probably like 100 named shades that people will know. Right? So we work very closely with brands. We get the exact X color code of the particular shades, calibrate our cataloging monitor so that the exact shade is represented in a realistic color when you see the catalog imagery. And all of that, and that's a small part of what went into building a feature like that. There is a lot of AI features that have also gone into virtual reality features. You can analyze your skin tone, for example, to get suggestions on the shades that will work best for you. And so many cool features. I hope some of you have been able to try it out in the tech experience zone that we have set up. If not, I would encourage people to go try it out as well.
I think that's insane. I mean, Flipkart's new features are amazing. Like personally, I feel like after hearing this and after trying it, I've tried it before, I've tried the lip shade thing. But after trying these outfits, I feel like I don't need a stylist anymore, yeah? Like, I mean, like I have my stylist right at home 24/7 on my fingertips. Like, okay, I can just like check my phone, okay, ठीक है, I want to do this, I want to wear this outfit, I want this lip shade, and I want to do this hairstyle, or I want to do something like this. I can create the look on my phone itself. And the fact that it's so accessible, easily accessible for everyone, and everyone can use it, and it's so easy to use. So I feel like, yeah, definitely, like I do not need a stylist anymore thanks to Flipkart.
I think that sounds really fantastic, and I'm sure our users would want to really try on a lot of these features.
Yeah. I can talk about a couple more as well. For example, one of the things we are now deeply investing in is how do you bring the power of videos to a platform much more deeply, right? So because it's an inspirational category, people don't make purchasing decisions by reading lots and lots of text. They don't want to look at catwalk specifications to make purchasing decisions, right? So we said that we want to deeply infuse very, very high quality, rich media imagery on the product pages. We want to be able to show complete videos, auto playing on product pages, and give realistic rendering of how a particular beauty product looks across different skin tones, different lighting and colors, and so on and so forth. And that is something that we have invested in deeply as well, which we call as videoification of our purchase funnel. Not a very glamorous name, I know, but it is.
But a glamorous feature indeed.
Absolutely. Thank you.
So yeah, I just have a few questions. So what about like for people like us, like celebrities or influencers? What if we want to get into this? Like, what do we do?
Great question, Amit. So, I mean, we know that our Gen Z audience, especially, really craves social interactions, real-time connectivity to the celebrities that they follow, and they really value authenticity. Right? If you go and just see a traditional ad that is posted on social media by brands, right? People don't feel that it's very authentic. It doesn't connect with them. It doesn't speak to them, right? So, but if it's a celebrity that they really love and they're following that celebrity influencer, they're much more willing to listen to them, try things out. So that's why one of the things that we have launched, we call it as a Vibes feature. And what Vibes does is create a space on our platform which is entirely driven by influencer content. It's about images, it's about videos. You can get your followers on the platform and be able to introduce new products to them, inspire them with the things that you have discovered, hidden gems that you have discovered. That's something that's seeing already a lot of traction from our consumers, and we are very excited to start opening it up to our influencer community as well. The other thing, like if you look at, for example, live shopping. This is something that has taken off in a really big way in so many parts of the world. In India, it's still a very nascent ecosystem. It's like in many other countries, up to 20% of all online commerce in certain categories happens through live commerce. So as the market leaders in India, we want to bring these sort of innovations in country. So we launched a platform called the Lives platform. Earlier, we have been using it only for what we call as tentpole events, basically our Big Billion Days and other such really large shopping festivals, as it were, right? And
Anisha, ladies and gentlemen, with this, we have these amazing guys who've entertained you, spoken so much about what's coming up next, and now we have bid and adios to you guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
ये हम सबके लिए बहुत ही खास पल है. Gives us great pleasure to welcome the very ravishing Avneet Kaur on behalf of Flipkart Glam Up 2024. Right from creating waves at the Cannes Film Festival to, of course, where we're looking forward to Love Ki Arranged Marriage. It's always about love with Avneet. बचपन से लेके इतना प्यार उन्होंने हासिल किया. So thank you so much, Avneet, for being here with us.
Thank you so much.
I'd like to ask you, how amazing are you feeling here today? And we are truly thankful on behalf of Flipkart Glam Up. But क्या कहना चाहेंगे? You always look naturally glamorous.
Oh my God, thank you. Now that's something that I love, naturally glamorous. I'm really excited to be part of this event because I think we launched something really amazing that's going to change the market, I feel, completely. There's live shopping that's happening. There's live, you can try on clothes, you can try on different products, and it's like, I felt like over there, like I don't need a stylist anymore because now I can like virtually just try clothes on and just like create a look out of nothing. I mean, and that's such an amazing thing, and congratulations to the whole team of Flipkart because this is huge, and I personally feel that it's going to change the market completely.
Thank you, love. Thank you so much. Thank you. Please.
अवनीत
हाँ जी.
सेंटर सवाल लेफ्ट राइट गुड टू सी यू अवनीत यू नो आप जहाँ भी जाती हैं लाइक आपके फैंस आपके पिक्चर का पोस्टिंग का बहुत ही बेसब्री से इंतजार करते रहते हैं डे बाय डे मैं आपसे पहले भी बात कर चुका हूँ कि आपकी जिस तरह से पॉपुलैरिटी बढ़ती जा रही है एंड फ्लिपकार्ट ग्लैम अप फेस्ट के लिए यहाँ पर आप आई हैं क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगी एंड प्लीज
Thank you so much पहले तो for your kind words and बहुत excited हूँ to launch this feature with Flipkart because I think personally जैसे मैंने बोला भी और मैं बहुत excited थी स्टेज पे क्योंकि एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है हिंदी में बात करूँ इंग्लिश में
यू कंफर्टेबल हिंदी में बात कर
एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पे आप इजीली चीज़ें ट्राई कर सकते हो अगर किसी का मन नहीं है शॉपिंग करने का या डोंट वांट टू गो आउट समवेयर यू कैन जस्ट लाइक स्विच ऑन टू योर Flipkart account and you can easily try on outfits and create a whole look with your outfits and you can try on makeup, you can try on clothes, shoes, every accessories, everything you can try on. And also the fact that people get so influenced by influencers and celebrities nowadays. So you can actually create, if they share the links with you, you can actually create what they are wearing. You can have the same stuff for yourself as well because people love to do that. And that is a huge thing I feel that's going to change the market completely. Yeah.
What does it take for you to decide who you are going to collaborate with? Because there's a whole business sense to this industry as well. So how do you take this business decision? Like who are you collaborating with as an artist? Because you're associating your name and brand.
As an artist, when I'm talking about clothes or as an actor collaborating with different people, like what do you mean?
As an actor collaborating with these brands like Flipkart and more.
Okay, so I feel it's amazing to be collaborating with Flipkart especially because they've come up with something completely unique. And I personally, myself, I love experimenting. I'm a person that experiments with my style, my outfits, everything. So I think that's what they have done. And I love people and I appreciate people that do that. So I would love to congratulate the Flipkart family for this. And I would love to be a part of the Flipkart family as long as it is.
As you said about shopping, so जब आप shopping करने का सोचते तो ऐसी कोई तीन चीज जो आप सबसे पहले आपके माइंड में आता है?
जैसे कि हमने स्टेज पे भी बात की कि बेसिक शॉपिंग क्योंकि हर आदमी करता है, हर इंसान को होता है कि कोई बेसिक शॉपिंग करे, तो वो भी आप इधर कर सकते हो इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे, जो मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. तो मेरे लिए तो सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है बेसिक्स का शॉपिंग करना. जैसे एक मेरे पास अगर एक बेसिक वाइट टी शर्ट है, एक बेसिक रिप्ड जीन्स है और एक बेसिक जैकेट है, तो मैं कुछ भी उसके अराउंड क्रिएट कर सकती हूँ. और अगर और बेसिक वाली चीज़ों के बारे में बात करो तो फिर बहुत ही हो जाती है. पर ये तीन आई थिंक इसके अराउंड आप अपनी एक आउटफिट क्रिएट कर सकते हो.
लास्टली कैंस के बाद हम कौन से ग्लैमरस अवतार में देखने वाले हैं अवनीत जी को?
ग्लैम तो कभी ख़त्म नहीं होगा. ग्लैम और ये फैशन तो कभी ख़त्म नहीं होने वाला. आई love to style myself. I love fashion. I love everything about fashion. तो अभी तो पहले यही बोलना चाहूँगी कि मेरी एक फिल्म आई है लव की अरेंज मैरिज ZEE5 पे, तो आप प्लीज़ वो देखिए जाके. उसमें बहुत सारे ग्लैमरस लुक्स आपको मिलने वाले हैं.
इवन आप एक और क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहेंगे, जैसे आपकी मूवी का नाम है लव की अरेंज मैरिज, तो आप सबसे ज़्यादा कौन से मैरिज पे बिलीव करते हैं?
आपको पता है मैं ये इंटरव्यू कब से दे रही हूँ और यही सवाल मुझे एक हफ्ते से परेशान कर रहा है. सबको मेरी शादी की इतनी क्यों पड़ी है यार? अभी रुक जाओ थोड़ा, अभी टाइम है काफ़ी.
तभी होगा तो अरेंज और लव.
यार आई पर्सनली बिलीव इन लव मैरिज, बट अगर पेरेंट्स की ब्लेसिंग्स के साथ एक लव मैरिज हो तो वो अरेंज्ड भी हो जाती है और लव भी हो जाती है. तो ऐसा कुछ हो जाए तो सही है, बढ़िया है. नहीं हो तो फिर रोएंगे बैठ के और क्या.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Very kind of you.
We're done.
Done.
इधर चिटका कर लगाए थे वहाँ पर क्या भाई तुम भी है हर बार कल भी तुम्हारा वजह से झगड़ा किया होगा आज
You look lovely yourself.
इतना चिटका दिया तूने यार कैमरा
Maybe even if you didn't dress up, if your inner fragrance was good, I'd be fine with it.
So I like the fact that you're dropping bombs already. Thank you. Okay, so how are you feeling being here? Firstly,
I'm feeling very lovely and very important. And it's really nice that you got everyone together. I was talking to these guys backstage also, and they were telling me how you put this all together. So I feel very nice to be part of it. Thank you for having me.
Okay, so now we know that you have some great style. Okay, so we know that you have a great style and everywhere you carry yourself, you make headstyle. So how all that
I think the main thing, the bottom line is you have to be really happy on the inside. And when you're happy on the inside, it's the only time you can be happy on the inside if everyone around you is happy. So for me, that's very important. I need the people who work with me, the people who are, if you're on a movie set, or people in my team, they have to be happy. So I do everything to make them happy, and then I somehow feel that that's the best way for me to be happy. And when I'm happiest, I look my best, most confident, and yeah, I think life's best that way. Thank you. So you know those people who don't look too nice, you know, they're not really nice.
Okay, I wanted to ask you, so, fragrance is very important. How much do you think fragrance is important?
Very important. No one likes the smelly sock. No one likes to be around someone who's not smelling good. But like I said when I came here also, I think a fragrant personality is really important, and that is my secret temptation. I'm very tempted to people who have fragrant personalities. I'm very tempted to people who are good people, who smell wonderful from the inside as well as the outside.
Inside and outside both are important.
Yes, outside is also very important. Like I said, you don't have a smelly sock or smelly body odor is not a very attractive thing.
Absolutely. So if you were rating a scale from 1 to 10, how important is fragrance?
10. Definitely 10. It's so nice because you take the enters the room before you do a lot of times. When you have, we've all watched in movies also, before the girl comes in and her hair is flying, the hero is always like that, he's enthralled by her fragrance. So yeah.
It's important to leave a last. So let's get on with that. And I have Ankit over here. Ankit is known to be a trailblazer in your industry. Yes. So what do we have today?
Honestly, it's the first safe on skin body mist in India. For CTT, for secret temptation essentially is the first product that we put, which is dermatological. At the same time, it's so is to make something feel good. That's it. It gives you freshness, it maintains an aura about you 24/7, so that before you enter the room, the secret's all there. Somebody's around.
I like what you said. Before you enter the room, the secret's already out. Come on, everybody, make some noise. Okay, so with this, we're going to get ready to unveil our secret that you all have been waiting for. Everybody, before that, please make some noise for Ankit and Anna on stage over here. Come on, everybody. Okay, so now we have a countdown, guys. So before that, we have. Please, this is a launch button. You're going to spray it. That's where the button comes out. Okay?
Everyone ready?
She's going to leave a lasting impression on you.
Let's have a countdown, or I just.
So we're going to have the countdown. Everybody, let's get ready for the countdown, and here we go.
Do I go on 1 or 10? Yes. Secret Temptation Gold, radiating charm with peachy pink for that fruity essence. And Secret Temptation Blue, this marine explosion is perfect for those looking for monsoon-like bliss. What would you pick?
I'm pretty confused. They all sound very nice. There are like 7 days a week and there are 4, so can be alternated. I'd like to have gold on one day and then marine on the other. Can I do that?
Absolutely, right answer. Give it up for her, everybody. Okay, I have to continue by saying the matchologists love these because these myths, they love your skin back. So get ready to turn heads and start conversations. Next time you wear these and somebody asks you कि क्या लगाया है, you know what it is. Yes, it's a secret. Thank you. Okay. So here you have it. Our secret temptation body is a whole new way to secret body. Now, ladies and gentlemen, all of you are here.
Veg, we just launched 4 awesome fragrances. I can vouch for this one. So, cookie, get your hands on them. Smell wonderful all days of the week.
Absolutely. And Ankit?
You can't end what others say, so you just leave it at that. These are 4 refreshing fragrances. It's essentially derma tested, but pick and choose. Probably there will be 8 here a week.
Also, I was also reading about this, and it's vegan and cruelty free. So, if anyone, I think that's very important. For me, that's very important when I pick products. Also, and I was really happy to be associated with you guys because whenever I pick any makeup or beauty product, that's the first thing I look at because that's another whole discussion that we can get into, the whole cruelty industry. And I think to look beautiful, you can't be torturing another living being and then think that you're going to look nice. So it's really nice that these are vegan and cruelty free, and that was another reason that I was very happy to be associated with the brand.
Thank you, Ada, for not just being beautiful but very kind. Yeah, give it up for Ada Dahas, everybody.
Thank you.
What a fantastic launch we've had. It was brilliant. Thank you for joining us. Give for this. Thank you, Ada. Thank you, Ada. Thank you so much. Thank you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, what a fabulous and glamorous launch we all had. I'm going to see you back here for our next one just about in a few minutes. And Mello signing off and see you soon. All right. What a better song playing on and on. It's so amazing. Make some noise, everybody, for the cast of Each Wish Rebound.
How's it going, guys? Hello. Very good.
Yeah. You guys excited?
Absolutely. You're thrilled. Did you all see the trailer? Yeah? Did you all like it? And did you all see the song? Did you? Should we watch the trailer? Yeah? Okay, good.
Yeah, we can watch. Yeah. All right. Blow away with the song, everybody. Make some noise from Very Little Theory. Oh my god. I love it. How was it? When I said shooting, that happened, right? Backward. Okay, guys, tell me more about this song.
No, we're just really grateful because it's such an iconic song and we loved recreating it. And of course, we were directed by Farah ma'am, and she is a Bollywood legend, a choreographer, and to be able to shoot with her and perform with her would be amazing.
Yeah. Well, such an iconic song. I think everyone remembers the iconic Mr. Akshay Kumar moving to it. And all these years for us youngsters to get our first opportunity and that to move into such an iconic song was a really special moment when we had Baksha. It was like, ooh, and absolutely, it looks like fun. It looks like so much fun. I'm sure all these guys agree, yes?
Guys, did you like the song?
Yeah, lovely.
भाई इधर है भाई ओ भाई ओ इधर आ
और पक्का ना दे
चश्मा ले ब्रदर
It was a great experience, yeah. Whatever we are doing right now is just seamless. And I hope you have seen the other songs as well.
उसको दे
Yes. Which is your favorite song till now? Express? Yeah. Sorry.
Okay, we cover this now. We take some votes and see the loudest votes, huh? How many for Ishmael Pyara? Make some noise for love. How many for Sony? Make some noise. Now, so this rocking awesome one.
हुआ क्या तुम लोग को समझ में नहीं आया जिंदगी में पहली बार इतना वाटी देखी क्या
Oh, what about Chot Melody? Like so many songs we've forgotten about. Romantic?
All songs.
All songs. That's my brother there, bro. That's my brother.
You're the man. You're the man.
अच्छा ऐसे मतलब देखो आदम के बारे में मतलब उनको सेल्फी लेना था राइट
He wants to say something about the selfie तो मिल जाएगा लेकिन ये मूवी ऐसा है ना कि इसका नाम ही इमोशन है तो इन लोगों की तरफ से मैं बोलता हूँ प्लीज ये मूवी 2 बार 3 बार एक वाली 2 वाली जितनी वाली के सब सबके साथ देखना थैंक यू सो मच
अच्छा तो जो करंट है एक्स है हम सबके साथ देखे
एक होता है ना वो पहली वाली थी इश्क हाँ वाली इश्क प्यार चलता रहना चाहिए
ओए क्या बात है इसको मेरे पैसे दे दो
सर आप हमारे साथ चलो प्रमोशन के लिए आप बहुत अच्छा प्रमोट करते हैं थैंक यू ब्रो थैंक यू ये सॉन्ग इमोशनल है जो मैंने बोला छोड़ दिल पे उधर से थैंक यू
Yeah, you know what? They will come down after the motion, but then they will come down to you. Okay, let's have a great selfie. Okay.
Thank you.
Alright, thank you for joining us. You know what? Before we close this, I want to hear from you, your sweet voice as well. How excited are you for the movie and the song?
The movie, it's like a dream come true, and I would just want to thank each and every one of you for giving us so much love. You guys are incredible. Thank you for giving the song love. Thank you for giving all the songs love. And I hope you give our film as much love on the 21st of June. Looking forward to you all watching it. Thank you guys.
Thank you so much. Before that, everybody, after us chashme hai, please wear them. What we're going to do is, we're going to take a lovely selfie with everybody with the chashma. Okay? There are no chashmas. I like your chashma. Good. Chashma. Ready? Okay, can we have somebody on the stage taking a selfie with us? Let's come. Who's coming on stage for this? Camera guy. Yeah. Let's all sit down. You know, I want you guys to be in the center and we sit down. Everybody got to make that noise. And yeah, let's just because everybody else will come. Put your hands up, everyone. Okay, let's stand. Everybody. Yeah, we'll make that little space probably for everybody. Everybody put your hands up. I want you to give me a yeah! Alright, make some noise, everybody. One more time. This is going to go online. A video coming up. I want you to put your hands up on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, let's go! Wow. I'd like to say that you guys just raised up the heat in this room. Thank you so much for coming to the Flipkart Glam Up Fest 2024 and making this such an exciting one. Thank you for joining us. And now look at the fans. They're all ready for you. These guys are all yours. Let me see how we can escape you guys. Alright.
Dance!
And here we have the personification of love. Thank you for bringing Pyar Vyar Ishq Vishk back to the theatres. Ishq Vishk Pyar Vyar is here. This is Ishq Vishk Rebound. We are truly humbled to have the brilliant star cast here with us. So let's give it up for Rohit Saraf, Pashmina Roshan, Gibran Khan, and Naila Grewal. What a beautiful moment for us. On behalf of Flipkart Glam Up Fest 2024, we are truly awaiting the most amazing movie of the year, 2K24, and congratulations to the grand unveiling of the fabulous Kala Chashma song this evening here at our Flipkart Glam Up. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Congratulations. Please join us here. And first, what a huge honor to have you.
That's a great voice.
Thank you. What a huge honor to have all of you here with us. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I want to first ask all of you that one by one, how does it feel being a part of right now Flipkart Glam Up? We all love dressing up and it's been a glamorous day all together, not just the night. So how amazing are you feeling here? I mean, I'm not asking you how you're feeling. I'm asking how amazing are you feeling? Because you're all with love personification.
Absolutely. It's always really nice to be a part of events, you know. It's always really nice to go out and be able to promote your film, meet your fans. So yeah, very happy.
Yeah, what about you all? You guys, how
No,
are you
I mean,
guys
I just
feeling?
feel live interaction is one of the best mediums to understand how the audience loves you. And I
Yeah.
think we were great enough to get a lot of love right now. So it's just a very sweet feeling, and I hope we continue getting that kind of love.
I definitely need to mention this to all of you कि आप चारों ने ना और जो आपका गाना है ना इश्क विश्क प्यार व्यार सोनी भी और अब से काला चश्मा भी लेकिन न सिर्फ
गोरे
हमारे
मुखड़े पे
गोले मुखड़े पे काला चश्मा बिल्कुल न सिर्फ हमारे दिल तक बल्कि रूह तक छू गया है इश्क विश्क प्यार व्यार. So while we are sleeping, while we are awake, it is just in our minds. Do you want to do one step for everyone, for our friends from the media, especially here? So let's do. Come on, everyone, please join us.
Okay.
Any one step.
Should we just? I don't think I can fully dance because I've
Just
anchored
one
my
step,
space.
just
Yeah,
one
so
step
I'll
before we
do
go
that.
to questions.
Yeah.
The
hook step.
Should we play the music then?
Yeah,
Without
we just
music?
sing. Ishq Vishk Pyar Vyar, that's it.
Okay, cool.
5, 6, let's go.
इश्क विश्क प्यार व्यार इश्क विश्क प्यार व्यार. Thank you.
Lovely. Thank you. Now the questions from the media, please.
जी. और close और.
देखना तो सबसे पहले तो फ्लिपकार्ट ग्लैम फेस्ट में आप सभी का स्वागत है.
Thank you.
कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस? हमने देखा बहुत ही वार्म वेलकम मिला था आप लोगों को स्टेज पे. ट्रेलर को वार्म वेलकम मिला है, गाना लोग बहुत ही पसंद कर रहे हैं. तो बताइए कि इस ग्लैम फेस्ट में कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस आपको?
सर प्यार तो बहुत मिल रहा है, आपने बिल्कुल ठीक कहा. और we're very happy because the trailer dropped 2 days ago and we've received a lot of love from everyone. आज हमारा जो नया गाना है उसके लिए भी बहुत प्यार मिला है हमें. And we're so excited because it's actually a song that we really loved shooting.
Yes.
And Farah ma'am, of course, the genius with Badshah. So yeah, we're very happy, sir.
Yeah, firstly, it's a very big opportunity for us to be performing to such iconic songs.
Yeah.
And also having such lovely songs that are original, made for us to dance on.
Yeah.
So it's a big opportunity for us. And then on top of that, when we interact with the audience and get to see their reactions to it and see how excited they are and the amount of love they are giving, it is just like the icing on the cake that's already so delicious and sweet. Yeah.
I think fashion का क्या है वो बदलता रहता है लेकिन certain things always remain the same. And I think we've taken that essence in गोरे मुखड़े पे काला काला चश्मा. पुराने ज़माने का fashion, आज के ज़माने का तड़का. So it's the right place to promote our film, our song, and I hope you all give it all the love that we in fact put into making it.
सर ब्रदर, जैसा आपने कहा कि हमको इतना प्यार मिला अभी बाहर, तो हम उसी के लिए कर रहे हैं जो कर रहे हैं सर. मतलब वी वांट द ऑडियंस टू लाइक अस एंड आई थिंक हमारी कोशिश हम जैसे कर रहे हैं, जैसे दिन नज़दीक आ रहे हैं और अच्छा लग रहा है, नर्वसनेस भी बढ़ रही है. एंड आई जस्ट होप जैसे हमारे गाने या टीजर्स जो भी ट्रेलर ड्रॉप हुए आप लोग वो भी प्यार दे एंड हम आपको एंटरटेन कर सकें ऑन द 21st of June इन अ थिएटर नियर यू.
इवन रोहित साहब के गोरे मुखड़े पे काला काला चश्मा में जो पुराना वर्जन था उसमें अक्षय कुमार सर
जी
तो उन्हीं का रिक्रिएट करना, मतलब उन्हीं के सॉन्ग का रिक्रिएट करना कहीं ना कहीं ऐसे चैलेंजिंग रहता है कि लोग
सर वो मैम वो तो म्यूजिशियन के लिए होता है ना, वो तो अभी एट दिस पॉइंट
परफॉर्म करना, क्योंकि लोगों के दिमाग में एक अक्षय कुमार सर का डांस और उनका जो स्टेप था,
जी जी जी
उनका
जी
जो स्टाइल था वो रहता है,
जी
फिर उसी को रिक्रिएट करके आप लोगों को प्रेजेंट किए हैं, वो कितना चैलेंजिंग था कि
मैम इनफैक्ट चैलेंजिंग या प्रेशर से ज़्यादा तो इंस्पिरेशन था ना वो. व्हेन वी ऑल वॉच्ड इट वी लव्ड इट सो मच. हमने वो देखते हुए हम बड़े हुए हैं. और बादशाह सर ने इतना अच्छा गाना बनाया, फारा मैम ने इतनी अच्छी कोरियोग्राफी की, जब भी गाना बजता था वी ऑटोमेटिकली स्टार्टेड डांसिंग. तो आई डोंट थिंक प्रेशर कभी फील हुआ. इनफैक्ट वी वर वेरी वेरी हैप्पी टू डू इट.
And it's more like a tribute than us trying to compete. We're giving it a tribute and adding our own flavor to it, you know?
Absolutely.
एंड लास्टली आप लोग एक दूसरे में सबसे ज्यादा ग्लैम अप किसे मानते हैं?
हम
ये
इन्हें देखिए, लग रहा नहीं है सर, देखिए इन्हें
लग रहा नहीं है ऑरेंज कैंडी बन के आया है.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you for having us. Thank you.
Sorry, friends, we like the Flipkart family to have a picture with all rock stars for the very best.
भूल गए?
अरे अच्छा नहीं, मैं कह रहा हूँ पोस्टर नहीं बना, मैं सोचूं कॉलिन फिल्म के पोस्टर में
Thank you so much. I was inside getting ready and I could hear all you guys cheering for me. And thank you so much, man. Thank you.
I love the energy over here because you're here. So I'd like
I want to feel it more. Come on. I will be. Come on. Let's go. Yeah.
Alright, I love it. You know, Siddharth, there is so much happening in your life. I'm going to get to that.
How did you know that? How the hell did you know that?
Something was released.
Professional life, yeah. Okay.
So, were you trying to share something else with me?
Absolutely not.
Alright. Can I have you this side? You know, the camera's one, two, this side here. Alright, everybody. So, before I proceed ahead, your camera is ahead. So let's ask Siddharth some questions here. You've got some great style.
Oh, that's my style.
Oh, it's that.
Goes to her.
But you know, in today's world, that's a little on you. So you've got that beat.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. All right, this is my question. No, okay. So Siddharth, how do you do all this?
You were right. Good. Like a panther.
High five, take care. Okay, so you're on the other side.
Thank you.
So coming to talk a little bit about Facebook. If you had to rate how important ratings are in life from 1 to 10, how does it?
It would be 8.5 because I haven't yet found the right patient, so I always keep that, remaining that very fast. So 8.5.
Okay, so we what completes that 10 right now? Okay, so now let's talk about what's going on in Siddharth's life professionally. Okay, we have seen you drop Ittifaq, and I must say that's just too hot to handle. Like, can you tell us more about Ittifaq and why?
It just happened by chance. I used to write, so I've written the song. I have a page called City Chats where I write poetry. Open Savera, I've done 2 films with them, Geraya and Kogamka. So we were just jamming and they had some sick beat, and I was like, I've written something, can we, put it on the scan and see how it goes? And it really sounded good. So they were like, do you want to try it? I was like, yeah, why not? Let's just try it. So yeah, I mean, that was not part of the plan, but I just went on with it. And then Arjun Virendra, the guy who directed Kogamka, came on board, he directed the whole music video. Vamika is looking gorgeous in the video. So yeah, I mean, that's how it all happened. It was Ittifaq, it was by chance, it was not planned at all.
But I hear it's really beautiful and so many amazing, raving reviews
like, right? Everybody, please give it up for Hector Parker.
Thank you.
You know, I heard some people say that can we have a line of
Yeah,
this song? Yeah? Come on, make some noise!
Well, I just maybe where do I start? We don't have a beat here, but I still try to rap, so please don't judge me on that. तू आगे से चल के शराब से ज़्यादा यादें चल के मेरे यार के चल के ना जा उसको ढूंढो दागे भी बस गुनाह हो गए थे इतने करीब दूर हो गए थे तू आए मेरे पास मेरे बिगड़े मेरा जन टाइम से हाय इत्तेफाक में
Oh my God! Yeah, I love it. I love it. I love it. It's amazing. I wish you all the very best with this song. And ladies and gentlemen, let's take this evening forward. There's more excitement coming up. And to do the honors, I'd like to invite one visionary behind Flipkart, the man of the hour. Please welcome Sharat Mohammed, director of Flipkart, in the house. Absolutely, I'm going to give the stage to you and Siddharth. And thank you.
Thank you so much. Siddharth, it's amazing to have you here for the Flipkart Glamour Fest. How's it? How does it look? How's the energy?
It's absolutely amazing. You know, the setup here is quite new. I haven't seen something like this. You know, it's almost like an MMA ring. And I'm versus you. So, but yeah, it's fun. And the crowd's really well dressed. The beautiful people around. And yeah, it's a vibe.
Great. So we've seen you rock the big stage. We would love to know, the man behind the screen. So, how about it?
Nothing. I'm just a boy next door. I mean, there's nothing special I was born with. But you find your speciality as you grow. You find your rarity and you find your power and strength as you grow through life. And that's what happened. I'm just like them. Just that I'm here. But yeah, it's been a constant seeking to be better in everything which I do. And it's just not limited to films. It's beyond that. It's about everything. Family, friends, music. Each and every part of my life is equally important. So yeah, I try to just balance it out, and that's what it is. I'm just trying to lead a normal life. Wow.
That's great. So, you're an icon in the hearts of many people. All walks, people from all walks follow you, right? How have you really cracked this code with them? We really would love to know.
I think that one thing which is very special with the Gen Zs is they can spot what's real and what's not. And I don't know the other way, where I would try to push or fake things. I am very vulnerable. Even on Instagram, I have a page, I write, I just whatever I feel, and it's there, like right in front of you. I'll just say, I'm very honest, and I've got into trouble because of that earlier, when you were just saying whatever I felt and things blew up. But that's who I am, and I'm not going to hide who I am. And that's what I think the Gen Zs or the young people, they really appreciate, because you cannot fake anything in this era where everybody knows what you're trying to do and who you are. So that's what the thing is, to just retain that, asli hai, that thing, that is what it is. And it's not easy, because you're surrounded by people. Okay, you're an actor, you're famous, and you go to places, and there are people who just want to woo you, and there are people who just want to be saying yes to everything you do and everything you do. But that's the thing. Just keep your family close, keep your people close, and know the right thing. And yeah, that's how it is.
Wow, that's really phenomenal. That's straight from the heart, CD bar. So we would like to know a little more about you. So you've had generally, it's a hectic schedule, the kind of lifestyle you have. How do you inspire your mind to keep going, to do better, move forward?
How do I've left a lot of things in my life to be here. Initially, I was doing something else. This opportunity which I've got to be even standing in front of you guys on the stage, there were so many things I had to let go. And those things, still sometimes haunt me. And I'm responsible to the things which I've left behind.
And there were so many things. It was my established career, it was my first girlfriend, so many things, which I had to let go to be here. So I'm responsible for the things which I have left behind. So I'm doing it for that, and I'm very much responsible for the things which are ahead of me, so I'm working towards that as well. So yeah.
Great. I'm sure you face a lot of stress and chaos at times, and you need to just stop, take a breather, and you need to cool down. And at times it's not just about cooling your mind; it's about cooling your body. How do you cool your body?
Cool my body.
Yep.
यहाँ की थोड़ी ना बात है ये सब. How do you cool your body? Take a cold shower, which is actually very good. The first thing, we always tend to take hot showers, but try having cold showers. It actually releases a certain amount of dopamine in your brain, and it really activates your nerves and your mind. I might just get in trouble for saying this. Somebody might put it on a reel and be like, "What the hell is he saying?" But I'm just saying that, yeah, take a cold shower, man. That's how you cool your body. And बाकी तो आपको अपने bodies के बारे में पता ही है, तो आपको जो सही लगे वो आप करिए.
Oh, I've really never been able to get to that. It's really chilling.
Get to what?
Having a
Oh.
Good. So we've learned about your mind and a little bit of how you treat your body. We want to dig a little deeper. How do you really energize your spirit?
How do I energize my spirit? I think, how do I energize my spirit? It's the passion. It's the passion that you have inside you, and to be able to wake up and work every day. It's my ikigai, I would say. What I have in my head for the future. I'm working towards that. So that's how I keep the energy on, and obviously my family. So I think these two things are very essential. Other than that, yeah, that's all it is. See, you can easily break anybody's spirit, and there are so many things we go through every day on social media or the box office. So you just have to keep going, you just have to be patient and just have to look forward. And if you're doing and if you're getting what you really, really want to do, I think everything else will be fine. I think your spirit will keep, re-energizing itself in a cycle.
You're really moving mountains through simple actions. I think that's a mantra we all need to learn. So I think we'll move to the big reveal from.
Oh, welcome back.
Welcome back. I'm here for the big reveal, okay?
Absolutely.
But I'm not the reveal, the big reveal, yeah? So,
Yeah.
ladies and gentlemen, we have something special happening. Firstly, please give it up for Siddhant
You got that right.
and Sharak over here. Come on, everybody, make some noise.
So that will do the honors.
Okay, so we
Make some noise, please.
Whether you're hitting the gym, chilling with friends, or just out making the moves, Reebok got your back. It's all about blending style with performance so you can look fresh, smell refreshed, and stay on top of your game. And let's take a moment to talk about a power duo that's totally changing the game. Reebok and Flipkart, everybody, make some noise! Wow, I got that right. Okay, this collab is all about bringing the freshest Reebok gear straight to your doorstep with just a click. Flipkart's epic reach and Reebok's legendary style make it easier than ever before to stay on trend and fit. win with folks. So one more time. Yeah, can we showcase the products? And go, everybody, please give them a big shout out. Make some noise. Thank you so much, Siddhant, for being here. Thank you so much for sharing so many insights. And thank you, Sharp. So beautiful. Give it up for them. Everybody should go to the Reebok booth. Check out the products. We will see you soon. Do that. You can take this. It looks good on you. I have to tell you that. Give it up, give it up for a fantastic session, everybody. We got so much more exciting. More celebrities coming on the stage. Stay tuned.
The most awaited moment.
Hi, how are you?
So happy to see you.
Same here.
Wow.
Hello.
Well, मैं तो बिल्कुल खो गई हूँ. As we know, his latest Up series, the web series, which is doing so well, but right from Gully Boy, the film web series, and of course, right from Gully Boy, he's been creating waves. Friends, what a huge honor for us on behalf of Flipkart Glam Up. Let's give it up for Siddhant Chaturvedi and make some noise. Because tali nahi baja sakte, of course, we have the gadgets, but what a beautiful feeling, Siddhant. And, you know, the kind of progression that you've had, the kind of dance, oh my God, we're all fidda over you. You know, follow your social media handles. At the same time, you win everyone's hearts forever. So thank you so much for joining us here. How special is this evening with Flipkart Glam Up? What do you like to say?
Well, I'm very excited. I was very nervous because looking at the setup, they've really outdone themselves. You know, you see the lights, you see the stage. It is grand. So as I entered, I was like, okay, this is. I mean, I was on the stage and it was, I think, it was not a square, it was a pentagon. Yeah. So it was quite interesting the way they have set it up, and it's been fun. I mean, the people were excited. They were cheering, and yeah, we had a great time on stage.
Right since Gully Boy, you've been the heartthrob, not just of the nation, of the world. So, of course, we also love your handsome looks. Do you have some beauty regime? Aaj raas ko fash karte hain.
Beauty regime? Nothing. I mean, not anything very specifically. I can't right now come up with anything, but I sleep a lot. Yeah. So I work and I sleep, and I sleep and I work. That's
Thank
all.
you.
And I can sleep anywhere.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah,
really.
That really kind of energizes me anytime.
And
So
rejuvenates.
quick naps, yeah. I think that's a habit which I developed during my CA days because I used to study for 14 hours. So I had to take those power naps in between, and it's still kind of very helpful.
The secret.
And the traffic also. Yeah,
the secret to his great beauty. So please, friends from the media to raise the question.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Okay, quickly, we can't take individual questions. We can just take one question. One common question, or you can address the media.
चलो बोले सकता हूँ? So brother, Flipkart Glam Up के मौके पर हम सभी यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट है. You know, आप जहाँ भी जाते हैं बहुत ही प्यार मिलता है आपको. आपने स्टेज पर देखा. तो बताइए कि कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस एंड क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे Flipkart Glam Up के बारे में?
बहुत अच्छा था, बहुत मज़ा आया. सेटअप काफ़ी ग्रैंड था. लोग बड़े खूबसूरत थे और लोग बड़े ही अच्छे थे. काफ़ी अच्छी तरह से चेयरअप किया उन्होंने और काफ़ी एक्साइटेड हैं. नए नए प्रोडक्ट्स देखे मैंने. काफ़ी चीज़ें हैं जो मुझे अभी सीखनी बाकी हैं अपने स्किन केयर के बारे में, चाहे फ्रेगरेंसेस के बारे में. मैंने रीबॉक के फ्रेगरेंसेस लॉन्च किए अभी. सो बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखनी बाकी हैं, बट धीरे धीरे सीख रहे हैं.
As a celebrity, I see so many people, tagging and, it's leading to a lot of promotion for the brands. As a celebrity, as an actor, how much pressure do you feel to put up these reels? And of course, it's also lucrative. But as an actor and as a celebrity, how do you feel the pressure, or you feel it's a great tool?
देखिए, ऐसा था कि आज से 6 साल पहले चीज़ें खरीदनी पड़ती थी, अब फ्री में मिल जाती हैं. तो अगर कोई इतना प्यार दे रहा है तो हम क्यों नहीं उसी प्यार को दोबारा और बड़ा करके दें. So I don't mind it, absolutely. And it's in fact an honor that they see that value, they see that मेरे टैग करने से कुछ अच्छा ही होगा. और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. And I think if I can contribute to the brands more and more, I'd be always up for doing it.
But do you feel the pressure to put up reels like other actors?
No, I'm a good-looking guy. Why would I shy away from showing my face?
हाल फिलहाल में कोई ऐसी चीज जो आपने खरीदी हो और आपको बहुत ही पसंद आई और आपने खरीदी?
देखिए, जो चीज़ें पसंद आती है मैं खरीदता नहीं हूँ. मतलब मुझे खासकर चीज़ें जिनका प्राइस होता है वो मुझे उस तरीके से पसंद नहीं आती। जो चीज़ें मेरे पास हैं या जो लोग हैं मेरे पास, वो चीज़ों को मैं ख़रीद नहीं सकता, उनको बस प्यार और मोहब्बत से रख सकता हूँ। और जो चीज़ें मैं ख़रीदता हूँ वो कोई ना कोई यूटिलिटी होती है उस चीज़ की। बट ऐसा मुझे कोई क्रेज़ नहीं है कोई चीज़ ख़रीदने का जो कि मुझे पसंद है या उसके वो मुझे चाहिए। ऐसा कभी मेरा था ही नहीं ज़िंदगी में। ऐसी तो कोई चीज़ नहीं है जो कुछ नहीं है ऐसा।
Some pictures, please.
Yeah.
Thank you, Siddharth.
Thank you, brother. Nice look.
शर्मान भी है।
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
मिलते रहेंगे
Thank you
brother.
so much. Thank you.
Love you, sweetheart. Thank you.
ऐसे ही प्यार बनाए रखिए लोगों के
कोशिश।
Yeah.
So I brought up in UAE, and over there we got a lot of food, right? And I'm a big fan of food. And coming over here, a lot of my teammates have gifted me cold perfumes, all right? And I would like to say, just now I was in Dubai, and my whole room smells like you, all right? So I'm a big fan. I think that your essence, your smell is something that defines you. Smell is something that takes you back in time, especially when we can relate those smells to something particular in your life. A small secret, when I do any of my characters, I always attach a certain perfume to each character. And now it's going to be cold, right? Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, and before we move forward, I wanted to ask you, what is the secret of your style?
My mother. My mother is secret to my style. I think she was a style icon in her own times. I think whatever risky kind of style statements I try to make is always because she has taken risks in her life. And I would have to say a big thank you to all my team. Mishti, Anushka, right here. You know, they're roaming around and they're so picky. Right now, they hate me for wearing all these jewels. All right, but this is me. It defines me. I think I've taken a bit of Tajda inside me right now. So yeah, my whole.
Can we have the dialogue, please? Oh, everybody.
अरे ले अरे माँ कसम
एक बार एक ही।
अरे ऐसा कैमरा रखेगा क्या होगा यार
चलने को मैं तैयार हूँ परवाना है। Thank you.
Come on, girls, make some noise. Wow. See, I started by saying how.
हमारे आईडी के चक्कर में ना मिस हो गया
Yes.
आईडी के चक्कर में मिस हो गया
You have a photo of them.
गलत टाइम पे आईडी देने लगा
ये भाई
Given all the industry around, we surround both forward and just to be
थोड़ा पीछे नहीं रखेगा ऐसा रखेगा ऐसा घुस जाएगा
कहाँ शायद बड़ा हो जाएगा तो देख कैसा करते हैं
so even at a price point where we are based in India, and the consumer experience that because we
सब थोड़े नीचे बैठेगा ये तो क्या
keeping that in
मचा
mind.
हुआ है
You're the most expensive. That's how they got me.
Yep.
Thank you.
But keeping all of that in mind, we take a lot of pride in our product, and with pride, we take a lot of time in developing them as well. And it's been a year and a half since we launched anything because we just couldn't get the fragrance right. We took about 18-19 odd months to get these 3 ranges out. Keeping in mind that they're meant for 3 different occasions. Like Taha said, every occasion, every time of the day has a different style probably. And the style is +1 only by fragrance. We truly believe that even if you wear probably the most stylized clothes, it is unfinished without a proper fragrance. Keeping that in mind, one is for the morning events that can be stylized.
breezy, sunny. The other ones is more for an evening casual wear. And the third one is called Noir, which is actually for events like this where you want people to turn around heads. Of course, heads don't turn when cars are around, but we still manage ourselves.
I'm wearing a lot of Noir right now.
All right, thank you, Ankit, for giving us an insight. And now, I'm sure if you're ready for what is to happen next. Ready, ma'am?
Let's go.
Yeah, Ankit, ready? Yes, okay, so before we do the countdown, Taha, I have something for you. This is a blowhorn, but sorry I couldn't get your gun from Hiramandi. This is for you.
Thank you.
Okay, and everybody, we're going to do the countdown. And as the countdown happens, I'll give you the click and we blow the horn. Are you guys ready? Please give me some more excitement. I would love that. Come on, everybody.
Alright, ladies, let's do this.
लाइट क्यों बंद किया?
Big hand, the three amazing powers, and the strongest right over here.
Ask him what will be his choice right now. I'll explain to you what we have and what each perfume does. Okay? So it has the Code Blanc is an aromatic and citrusy fragrance. Okay? Which provides.
Ladies, as you listen to this, I need your recommendations. Alright, listen to what she's saying.
Yes. Has aromatic and citrusy fragrance which provides perfect start to your mornings. Okay? Second, Code Bleu complements evening wear perfectly with its fresh and woody fragrance and for casual wear. It brings out specific sword. Wow, I like that. And the last but not least, something that you like as well. Okay, the Code Noir, which has spicy and amply fragrance, is perfect for nightwear for all perfumes that love to leave an impression in parties and celebrations with your bold and charismatic persona. So, what would be your choice?
Ladies, what would be my choice? Tell me.
Can I just say one thing if you don't mind?
Yes.
I just want to say how much of an impact you've had in my life. I've seen every interview and the multiple same things that you see in the interviews are also about me. I was recently at a job. It was for a company in the PR industry. I was really good at it and I loved it. But you said this one thing in this interview, which was your plan A will never be working out if your plan B is always, like, it will never happen. Like, you said this thing called fake it, make it or you die trying. And even in one of my YouTube videos, I'm like, this is why I'm going to resign my job and what my plan is. So,
big hands, come on everybody.
All you, literally all you. So, yeah, I think you would go for the angries and.
Alright, he is right there with you, come on. we should do like a complete selfie with all of you in the audience over here. So please join us this side. Taha's going to be on stage here. Everybody,
It's so
join
nice.
us, join us,
And I'll come down and
come,
take whoever needs the photo. Thank you so much.
Join us here,
Thank you.
Join us here. Come on, everybody. All right, can we have someone on stage? Come. All right, and let's hold. Oh, I think Taha wants the Noah. Code Noah is something that he likes. We have the product. Oh, that's like a sprint.
All the ladies that come here, there's no wasting time.
Are you ready? Come on, everybody. Gotta give us your.
All right. Take them.
Okay, this has been very fascinating. We've loved your presence over here. One more time, please give it up for our fragrances on stage. Come on, everybody, make some noise. And thank you so much for being here with us. Thank you, Taha, for joining us. I'm going to leave you to them. I'm just kidding. All right, thank you, Ankit. Thank you, Taha, for being here with us. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much for having me. Thank you, Code, Ankit. Fantastic. You're a man of detail. It took you 18 months clearly to get this new range out. A big congratulations to you. And here to support you all the time, man. All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you. All right, everybody. I know you're dispersing towards the light. Enjoy yourselves with our beautiful staff.
Yeah, I'll do one. No, we'll have this moment. हम जल्दी बोलेंगे तो उत्कर्ष fine हाँ बोल जल्दी एक्सपीरियंस आपके फैन के साथ में आप यहाँ पर थे तो ये यहाँ पे मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार मिला है और मैं इस एक्सपीरियंस को कभी नहीं भूलूंगा बहुत धन्यवाद काश मैं सबके साथ एक फ़ोटो ले पाता पर भाई थैंक यू वेरी मच आप सबको मेरा बहुत सारा प्यार आप लोग हमेशा आपने मुझे बनाया है सर भाई आपको मैं पीछे देख नहीं सकता बट थैंक यू ऑलवेज फॉर बीइंग हियर थैंक यू फॉर सपोर्टिंग मी मैं आप लोगों का प्यार देखता हूँ इसमें और आपकी दुआएं देखता हूँ इसमें मैं आई एम फ्रॉम द पीपल बाय द पीपल थैंक यू सर आई लव यू थैंक यू सर